Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For anyone that's new here, welcome to my channel. As some of you may already know from some of my previous videos, I obviously love dunks so much. They are one of my favorite silhouettes from Nike. So today's video, we have got the lemon dunks. So I'm gonna do a review, and I've got an on-foot video, and I will do a close-up video of them because the details on this shoe are next level. So yeah, let's get cracking. To begin with, they just come in your normal red Nike box. Nothing crazy about this. This is literally your standard dunk box. Here is your lemon dunk. Ah, beautiful. So before we go into review, these lemon dunks come in at £105. Usually normal dunks, like just the standard ones, come in at £95. So these are a tiny bit more expensive, but when we go into kind of the depth of review, you will be able to see why. They do feel like a lot more premium than normal standard dunks. So diving into the detail of the shoe, what I love about the shoe is there is quite a lot going on. Like from far away, it just kind of looks like a yellow and white shoe. But if you do take a closer look, there is some other details which are really nice. Obviously, this shoe is inspired by a lemon. So obviously we've got the yellow and the white going on. Firstly, we'll start with the white panels. So we've got white tumbled leather, which kind of standard for Nike. And then we have the yellow panels. And this is what I feel like makes the shoe quite premium, is this smooth leather. I think it is called hue, and it's basically like a mixture of beige and yellow colour. And this smooth leather just feels insane. And the swoosh as well, I'm really loving this swoosh. It's actually a suede leather, but it's also patterned and textured. So it's kind of got like these plastic little circles, I guess, which feel really nice as well. And as you can see, it gives it a nice effect on the shoe. And I think I read somewhere that this was supposed to represent, you know, like the lemon bag, which obviously makes sense. Moving around to the back of the shoe, on the heel tab, you've got this kind of like plastic, it kind of looks like pastel-y neon yellowy colour with the Nike normal logo. Again, a nice feature. It's nice that, you know, it's got a different material on the back of the shoe. The laces on this dunk, they're kind of like your normal standard laces, quite simple, but again, the nice kind of zest of yellow is really nice. Moving on to the tongue of the shoe, you've kind of got this meshy material, which is like mesh, and then underneath is the foam. Again, representing maybe the lemon bag that the lemons come in. And the tongue tag is just your kind of normal Nike logo, obviously in yellow. And then as you can see in there, in the footbed, you've got a nice yellow logo. And another thing I recognized instantly when I saw this shoe is the inside is suede. Oh my God, this bit feels so good as well. Like, the materials of suede are, you know, really good, and I feel like that is why the shoe is a tiny bit more money, but I feel like it makes up for it, definitely makes up with it, with that kind of quality of the materials gone into the shoe. We then have a white midsole, kind of standard, and then we have the gum transparent sole, which I do really like, and I feel like I would have chosen, if I was designing this shoe, I would have chosen this colour as well. It kind of goes nicely with the kind of yellow tones. And last, but definitely not least, I almost nearly forgot, is the little embroidered lemon at the back of the shoe. I literally love this part of the shoe. I feel that this is one of the main attractions for me, is this tiny little embroidered lemon logo. I feel like that is just so cute. I feel on dunks you don't really usually see embroidery logos or embroidery at all. So I feel like that addition makes it kind of really stand out to all the other dunks. I feel that the little logo of the lemon just makes the shoe. This shoe is definitely like popping for summer, like the colours, the whole vibe of the shoe. I think it just stands out to normal dunks. And that is why I feel like I had to have it in my collection. These are actually officially women's dunks. I say these about like every single dunk. I feel like they're unisex. I don't think you can tell that this is women's. If you're a guy, I would still wear these. I literally, the only thing that's different for me personally is that the fact that the title of the shoe is actually called women's dunk. Other than that, there is literally nothing that is, I would say, feminine about this shoe. I think it's very unisex. Also, yellow is kind of like a unisex colour in my eyes as well. Sizing wise, I would say stay true to size. I got these in a UK 7, and I'm kind of like a UK 7 like in generally everything. I have actually got a video on my YouTube channel about men's and women's dunks and the kind of differences, especially between sizing. But in general, I would say stay true to size for these. I'm really looking forward to wearing these in the summer. I feel that the yellow is kind of not neon-y yellow. It's kind of neutral, especially this beige yellow. So I think I can get away with wearing them with quite a lot of different things. If you do want to see me style these, head over to my Instagram where you'll be able to find pictures of me rocking these absolute beauties. Must-have that I had to have in my collection, especially for summer. Literally just can't get over how adorable and cute that is. But anyway, that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next YouTube video.